In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Wells Fargo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any amount of Apple Cash that you have available on your wallet directly into Wells Fargo. You will be able to do this by first going over to the wallet app and then tapping on your Apple Cash card. You will see the amount that you have, and if you tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to see more options, including the option to transfer to bank. So this is what you have to select. So open the Apple Wallet, choose your Apple Cash, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and now you will be able to see all of the details about the cash, including the option to transfer to a bank. Immediately upon selecting Transfer to Bank, you will be able to choose the specific amount that you want to transfer and then tap Next. Now, you have two main ways to do this transfer. You have the option to do an instant transfer, which requires a debit card, and there is a small fee already included, or you can do a slower transfer that can take up to 3 business days to a bank account. So if you have a Wells Fargo debit card and you are willing to pay the fee, I recommend that you choose the faster option. You will be able to select that option and you will be prompted on how to add the debit card to your wallet. If you can't see the option here, or if it doesn't automatically open for you, you just have to go back into the Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, and choose the option to add a new debit card. Include the details about the Wells Fargo debit card and you will be good to go to do an instant transfer. Alternatively, if you are okay with the slower method, then you just have to go back, choose that option, and once again, you will get instructions on how to attribute the Wells Fargo bank account to your Apple Wallet. Once this is done, you will be able to go back and finish this transfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Wells Fargo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.